Hello students, I am Dr. Pallavi Chetan Patil from Sarat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Here we have a SYBCOM topic or the subject elements of company law, that is C law. Let's see what's today. KMP, key manager person. Here are some information of key manager person. This is your second chapter which is very important for the company law. Let's highlight some points about the KMP. KMP, the full form of KMP is key managerial person, are the key persons or important person or the main person in the company who are responsible for its management and decision making. Okay, board of directors are one of the key persons. So decision making or the any decision about the management, KMP, that is key managerial personnel, are going to check. The Companies Act now 2013 defines KMP and outlines their roles and the responsibility. Let's see who is KMP, who can become a KMP, or who is the KMP in the company under the Companies Act 2013. The first one is the Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO. Next, the managing director, that is MD, the managers, the company secretary, the whole-time director. Whole-time director is very important in the company. Okay, he can take the part in decision making, or he can take a part in every work. Okay, the next one is Chief Financial Officer, that is CFO. Here is a CEO, Executive Officer, and here is a Financial Officer. The another one is other officials, they are designated by the board. Okay, I hope this web chart is clear to all of you. Who is KMP? Now let's see KMP responsibility: implementing company strategy, ensuring the appliance with the regulatory requirements, and safeguard the interests of the stakeholders. Why KMP is important? Here we have KMP's responsibility: implementing the company strategy. Company strategy, who is going to decide? This KMP. Uh, Ensuring compliance with the regulatory requirement. Regulatory, it means the company's rules and regulations requirement. According to that rules and regulation, KMP will going to comply all these things. After that, safeguard the interests of the stakeholders or the shareholders are the main part or the main peoples for the company. So KMP is they trust on KMP, these persons. I hope this is clear to you. Who is KMP? I'm going to just remind all these things. That who is KMP? The first one is Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO. Next one is MD, Managing Directors, Managers. Third one. Next one, Company Secretary. He is a very important for the company. It is a compulsory appointment of the company secretary by the company. Okay, whole-time director. Most of the time, company secretary is a whole-time director. Okay, but whole-time director is also, you can take another position for whole-time director. Next one is chief executive officer and other officers designated by the board. Okay, I hope you know the meaning of KMP. Who is KMP? What is the responsibility of KMP? Here is just a highlight or just a revision of KMP. Okay, let's see the next one. KMP appointment. Who is going to appoint KMP, or how the KMP is appointed? The first one is, you can see the board designated officers as a KMPs. Next one, the appointment roles and the responsibilities of the KMPs are governed by the Companies Act and other applicable regulations. Okay, if the office of any whole-time director or whole-time KMP is vacant, if if your whole-time KMP or the director or any other person from the KMP is retired or dead or insanate, definitely the position must be replaced within the 6 months. You have to appoint another director or another KMP on his place or vacant place within the 6 months. Okay, this is very important for the MCQ also. KMP eligibility. The person must be a resident of the India. The KMP under the KMP, who is suppose company secretary or managing director or anyone else must be a resident of India. The person can be an undischarged insolvent. The person can, he must be a solvent. He must not be a insolvent person. The person cannot have been convicted by the court of an offense or any other fraud or any he must not be disqualified by law. Okay, and sentenced for a period of the more than 6 months. uh, More than 6 months, he must not be president or these things there. So I hope this under you can understand the appointment of KMP, the eligibility of KMP. This is just a highlight of KMP. If you have a short note, you can write or elaborate these notes. You can take all these points. Okay. The next one is person who can be appointed as KMP. Let's see the some qualifications or the eligibility of a KMP appointment. The first one is has attended 70 years or is more below 21. It means his age, KMP's age must be between 21 to 70. Okay. He is convicted as an insolvent or an uncharged insolvent. He must be a solvent, nothing else. Has a suspended payment to be credited at any time. He has been convicted for an offense by the court since sentence not to more than 6 months of period. It means he must be not disqualified by the law or his age must be between 21 to 70. 70, he must be solvent, he must be he must not be insane. All these things which is comes under the Companies Act 2013. I hope you understand all these points. Thank you so much, students, for listening.